Dismantle. To take something apart or disassemble. Example: the workers had to dismantle the old machine to fix the broken parts. Inhale. To breathe in. Example: she took a deep breath and inhaled the fresh mountain air. Segregate. To separate or divide. Example: the recycling plant segregates plastic from metal. Bash. To hit or strike hard. Example: he bashed the door with a hammer to get it open. Vanish. To disappear suddenly. Example: the magician made the rabbit vanish from the hat. Fetch. To go and bring something back. Example: the dog loves to fetch the ball. Demean. To cause someone to feel degraded or to lose dignity. Example: don't demean others just because they made a mistake. Console. To comfort someone in a time of grief or disappointment. Example: she tried to console her friend after hearing the bad news. Scrape. To remove a substance or material by rubbing something hard against it. Example: he scraped the ice off the car's windshield. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.